Check this out. Want to see something crazy? So this is my 1 year running empty aquarium, and I've been playing with the filter configuration and overflows and whatnot. So I've changed the water in this thing maybe 3 or 4 times during the year, and every time I change the water, I get a white film that precipitates out on everything. And I wipe the glass off, and it comes off. Some of it comes off in powder form, some in little pieces. The filter floss catches it and it clears up, and it'll turn crystal clear. Well, my silicone tubing turned white, and I thought it was just discolored, which I thought odd, because I'm a retired biomedical engineer, and all the silicone and Tygon tubing used in medical equipment, it doesn't discolor. Look at. Oh, anyway, I took things apart so I could paint the PVC, because this thing's going inside soon, right? I painted things. And I put it back together, and I started noticing flakes coming out of and I got poking around, and I realized when I tap the silicone tubing, big flakes would come out. So I took a screwdriver and just whacked them, whack, 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 and this is what came out. It's hard to tell on this crap camera just how much there is. And they're little flakes. I wish this thing would focus. It just won't. They're little flakes with the same curvature as the silicone tubing, and the same curvature as the 3/4 inch PVC that brings the water up from behind. That stuff, that black PVC. Sure wish I could, sorry about that. Sure wish I could get it clear. Anyway, strange. What the hell is it? Calcium, I assume. Boy, this camera it quit focusing completely. Anyway, all that.